What's going on, guys? I've got here a 2005 Ford Freestyle. I'm going to use this car to show you how to change your brake light switch. But before we do that, let's check the fuse. I like to check the brake light fuse before I change the switch, because a fuse is cheaper than a switch. So we're going to pop down here. We've got to remove this cover. You're supposed to be able to grab this piece and pull it out. Some of you will have to push these little hooks over to the side. I did that and I ended up breaking them, so just beware. There's a fuse puller on the back of the fuse box cover, and the power provided to the brake switch comes from this 10 amp fuse right here. Now this power is not used to illuminate the lights. That power comes from the smart junction box here. Now as far as the brake light switch location, I'll show you where it is. I'll show you how to remove it. So following the brake pedal upward, we're gonna see there's the brake light switch right there. Every time I push on the brake, you can see how the lever moves away from the switch. So the switch, it's got a simple electrical connector on there. You just push that piece in to disconnect it. And to remove the switch from the bracket, you grab the switch and you rotate it clockwise. You've heard that right. You don't rotate it counterclockwise, you rotate it clockwise, about 45 degrees, at which point it will come out. So let's see, I'm trying to get a good angle on here for you. Shoot. There we go. So yeah, that's the switch there. When you hit the brakes, this plunger moves away from the switch, causing it to connect the two wires. We disconnect it by pushing in on this piece here, and there's the connector. You may want to inspect the pins on the connector, make sure everything's good. And when you install the new switch, it's very important that you not apply any pressure to the brake pedal while you're putting the new switch in. So the new switch will go into its bracket here. So there we go. And we've got to line up, such a tight fit here for me. So we've got to line up the little ears. So it goes in cocked to the side and then you rotate it counterclockwise to lock it. So yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you, or at the very least was a good starting point in troubleshooting the brake lights on the Ford Freestyle. Please do let me know if you have any questions or any advice. Thanks for watching.